Good morning, grade 5, and welcome back. It's Dr. Alain, and we are going to continue the excretion and human urinary system. We have stopped in this slide last time or last video. This slide is talking about getting rid of excretory materials. We have said to get rid of excretory materials, these wastes are carried to the blood through the thin walls of blood capillaries. يبقى the wastes are carried through the blood capillaries, okay? And you can see the arrows pointing to the wastes. You can see this is the picture inside the blood vessel or inside the blood capillary. You can see there is red blood cells and there is white blood cells. And in between them, these yellow fragments are wastes, okay? فالwastes are carried through the thin walls of blood capillaries. We are going to take the different types of excretory materials. They are 3 types, and the first one is the most obvious of them all. Look at this dog on the picture up on the right and tell me what he's doing. What is this dog doing? He's getting rid of nitrogenous wastes. This dog is getting rid of nitrogenous wastes, okay? Nitrogenous wastes, this word comes from nitrogen. Nitrogen. What's meant by nitrogen? It's an element like oxygen, like carbon. That's why this waste is called nitrogenous wastes, okay? Or urea and uric acid. It has another name, urea and uric acid. طب why our body produce nitrogenous wastes or urea and uric acid? Because we eat protein in our food, okay? Protein like fish, like meat, like eggs, and so on, okay? This protein that we eat produces nitrogenous wastes. يبقى nitrogenous wastes are produced from protein. طيب, how we are getting rid of this nitrogenous waste and where they are excreted from? They are excreted from urinary system, okay? You can see in the picture, this is called a urinary system, a system inside your human body, okay? A part of your body, and we are going to take it in details, but not now, okay? In the form of what? In the form of urine, in the shape of urine, okay? The yellow fluid is called urine, or the yellow liquid. This is urine, okay? يبقى the first type is nitrogenous wastes. They are produced from protein, excreted from urinary system in form of urine. The second type of excretory materials is carbon dioxide, okay? When we breathe, or when we are breathing, we are taking a breath in and we are giving a breath out. We are taking in oxygen and we are giving out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced from combustion or burning of digested food to produce energy. What's meant by this? We all know that when we eat food, it becomes digested or broken down into small pieces. And then, after digesting the food or after breaking it down into small pieces, it becomes burned, okay? It becomes burned. Why? To be even more and more small, to be easily carried through the blood, to produce energy, okay? Do you remember in the circulatory system when we have said that the blood is the only thing that can reach your head and the toes of your body? They are all over your body, and all over your body you need energy. That's why energy is carried through the blood, through the burned digested food. With this process produces carbon dioxide, okay? The carbon dioxide is produced from combustion and burning of digested food to produce energy. Type, how do we get rid of carbon dioxide, or from where it's excreted? It's excreted from the 2 lungs. What's meant by the 2 lungs? They are the organs in your chest, okay? We have said that the heart is in the middle of your chest. Do you remember? In the middle of your chest. And the lungs are also in your chest, okay? You can see the shape of the lungs in the picture down on the right side, okay? يبقى carbon dioxide is produced from combustion of digested food to produce energy, and it's excreted from the 2 lungs during a process called exhalation. Exhalation. What's meant by exhalation? It's giving a breath out. you can substitute exhalation by giving a breath out. Okay? The third and the final type of excretory materials is excess salts and water. You can see in the picture this lady, she's getting rid of excess salts and water. Okay? Excess salts and water are produced from eating all types of food, unlike the nitrogenous wastes that are produced from eating protein specifically. Okay? Excess salts and water are produced from eating all types of food. Body gets rid of excess salts by dissolving it in water type. From where they are excreted or how the body gets rid of it, it's excreted from the skin. Okay? It's excreted from the skin in form of sweat. You can see this lady under her armpits. This is called sweat. Okay? The excess salts and water are excreted from the skin in form of sweat.